Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video we're going through how to send a draft on Gmail. This is the updated tutorial. So if you guys want to practice without actually sending a live mail and just save the mail in the draft and then maybe edit it, add media, whatever you wish to do, there's actually a very easy way to do that. So in order to do this, of course, we will need to press on Compose button. This allows us to create a new mail. And in here, we just type in who we're sending it to. So I will just go ahead and choose myself, my own mail here. Then you choose subject, let's say test. And in here, when you type something in, as you can see, I'm already typing in an email, 2:20 a.m. It's already saved to drafts. So pretty much a drafted message is the one that you're not sending. So as you can see, if I don't press send and I close it down, it's still getting saved, but it's not sent. As you can see, and all information inside is still stored. For example, I type something in like that, close that, go back to it, and as you can see, everything is still here. So if you wish to save drafts, this is how it's done. If you like my tutorials, make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.